Everybody, it's Travis Holzem with Food Forest Design, Minnesota. And today I'm officially starting my spring and summer install season. And I'm in Roberts, Wisconsin at a place I was at last fall where I planted about 100 trees, or like 80 trees I think it was, around the perimeter of this property. And now today I am going to start putting up a deer fence around the fruit tree guilds I put up last fall, and I'm going to add 3 more fruit tree guilds, and then I'm going to be putting in a 90-foot by 50-foot food forest, and I'm going to be putting up a deer fence around that also. And I will turn this around and show you in a minute. But I moved a lot of my parts for the deer fence over here. I still have to stake it out, run all my string and all my lines and stuff, get everything laid out, and then I'm gonna drill the corner posts and cement those in today. So tomorrow, basically, I just had to install the posts, the interior posts, and those, all you gotta do is drive a 24-inch post sleeve into the ground, and then you slide your post into the sleeve. So it's pretty simple that way. And then I'm gonna wrap it, and yeah. So, and then the other part where the food forest is going, we're having one of the local farmers come out here, and they are going to remove all of the grass in the area I'm putting the food forest in. So they're gonna strip it, so I have a clean slate to work with. I don't have to worry about weeds or anything like that once I get everything in the food forest. So that's going to help with the weed suppression, just starting out. But I'm going to show you what we're working with here. All right, here got my pieces of the fence. There's a lot more over in the shed I got to get yet, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I put those in last fall, and then there's going to be on the other side of those over there, there's going to be 3 more. And then there's going to be a 65 by 65 foot deer fence, 8-foot high deer fence with an 8-foot dual gate, so you can get your lawn tractor in and out of this area. And then over here, this is a annual garden right here, and we're going to enclose this in the food forest. So we extended this, and then we're going to move all this rhubarb and all those raspberries over there. They're going to be on the outside of the fence, so it's going to make a hedge on the outside of the fence. But this will be a nice big area for a food forest in here. And then over here on the back side of the fruit tree guilds, we're going to put in a gazebo with a picnic table and some vining plants that are going to go over the top of the gazebo, and they're going to climb right up. And then eventually there's going to be a pond over here in this corner, and if you can see, the property slopes this way, so we're going to use that pond as obviously to capture water, but then we're going to use it to feed this system. And then over here, we're probably going to be putting a greenhouse next year, and possibly a chicken coop on the back side of the shed over there. So we have a nice, good sized property here, and there's going to be so much food growing here. It's going to be an amazing space. But that's it. We are starting today. And like I do always, I'll have plenty of pictures, I'll have plenty of video up on my YouTube channel. And if you would like to transform your property into a food producing Garden of Eden or garden or food paradise. My new thing, if you would like to foodify your yard, that's my new word I made up like a month and a half ago, like foodify. So I foodify your yard, and my plan is for the foodification of America. And so there you go, you heard it here first. Those two words, those are mine. But as you can see, when you go to my website, Food Forest Design Minnesota, it says foodify your yard right on the front page. But anyway, get a hold of me, set up a consultation, and we can design your property and get your food forest installed for you all the way up until October, until the ground freezes. So it's not too late. Get a hold of me, Travis at foodforestdesignmn.com or foodforestdesignmn.com, and I have a chat bot on there that can answer any questions you have. It'll be just like talking to a human. They know everything about my business, except it's AI, okay? And you can ask it questions and whatever you want, and it will be able to answer pretty much everything. Anything it can't answer, it's going to send you to me. But schedule a consultation and let's get your food paradise this summer. Have an amazing day, my friends. Grow food, not laws.